Hi everyone, let us discuss the basics of Microsoft Excel. So for us to open our Microsoft Excel file, we need to click the Start button here in our desktop, then type Excel. Okay? Or you can simply open your run command, then type Excel. So that is the keyword for the run command. Then here we go. We already opened our Microsoft Excel. We have different templates for Microsoft Excel, but for now, we were going to use the blank workbook. So this is the window of Microsoft Excel. As you can see, we have a different tools above. So that also called as ribbon. But for now, we were going to focus in formatting. Okay. So the moment you click a cell, that will be considered as active cell. You can check the name of that cell on the upper left side here on the cell name or the name box. That is A1. Now, if we're going to highlight everything from A to E, then the third column that's still A1 because it will read the first cell that you have clicked. Okay, so what is next? Let's say we would like to input something. So for example, we can write name, also course and section, the address, and the email address. So it is like a Microsoft Word wherein we can also format this text. So simply highlight everything, then you can check the font name. So you may choose the font name that you would love. So for me, I'm going to choose Times New Roman. Okay, so the common problem in Microsoft Excel is the words that you type does not fit on the cell. That's why you simply click this line, then drag this up to the end of the word. Or you may just double click it to perfectly fit your content. Let's say you would like to input something. For me, I'm going to write Teacher's Eye, and my course and section is VITA. My address is Venus. Okay, then for my email address, that is teacherseye@gmail.com. So as you can see, the content does not fit on the column itself. That's why I am going to double click again the column name. And here you go. The content are perfectly fit. So what else do I want to add? Let's say I would like to add a row before this data. So I'm going to right click the number 1, then insert. So I just simply click the row, then right click, then click insert. And that's it. I already have a column before the entry of my name. So here you go. I am going to put a border for this. So for the border, you can check these different borders that you prefer. So for me, I'm going to use the all borders. Alright, next is, let's say I would like to merge these two cells. So I'm going to highlight first the A1 up to B1. Then just simply click the merge and center above. Okay, student information. And here you go. That today we discuss about the format in Excel, how to input a border, and how to use the merge and center border. After learning these functionalities, you can now create your own sheets. So by doing that, I am going to show you a sample of sheet wherein you can maximize and practice the functionality of border, formatting, and merging. That will be all for today.